Daniel Weaver suggests, how about clean the dirt off the front of the house? That's a good idea. This is my dad's power washer. It's rather small and not too powerful, but it should get the job done today. Now I noticed that some mice have chewed through the soap dispenser, so it's just going to be pressurized water today until maybe I can get a hose to fix that up. The first section that I worked on is beginning to dry and does look much better. Definitely not perfect, but at this point I think it looks better than nothing. So you can see that's closer to what it looked like right there on the corner, and so it is definitely improved now. Coming up here, I probably got a little bit lazy as I went along, and there's going to be more of this clay dirt showing up here, but I can always come back out later and hit this again with the pressure washer. So definitely an improvement. A big thanks to Daniel for suggesting that I clean the clay dirt off the front of the house here. Being a first-time homeowner, I don't always see the stuff that needs to be done. Last week got the gutters cleaned. This week getting the red dirt off the side of the house. So if you've got some nice suggestions for something you see around the house here that has not been done, that needs to be done, please leave that in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. I may get to it soon, and I may never get to it. It's just always nice to hear what others do to keep a clean house. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and I will see you next time. Bye.